I've become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired. Hi, and welcome to the channel. First, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F sharp minor, played with the C sharp, F sharp, and A, and the bass note of F sharp. Then C sharp major, played with the C sharp, F, and G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. Then you'll have the D major, played with the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then the A major, played with the C sharp, E, and A, and the bass note of A. And final chord, the E major, played with the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. As usual, you will find the PDF file associated with this song in the description box, so feel free to download it. Let's begin by the introduction, so here's the corresponding table. The easiest way to play the iconic melody of this song is to place your first finger on the C sharp, second finger on the E, third finger on the F sharp, fourth finger on the G sharp, and last finger on the A note. So, okay? Because these are the only notes that you're going to be using for the melody, and then just follow the table. And right after this melody, you can start playing the chords. So take the first chord, F sharp minor, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And same for all the other chords. So D major, 1, 2, 3, 4. A major, 1, 2, 3, 4. And E major, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole table should sound like this. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then verse. And I'm very happy to tell you that you're going to be able to keep the same table and the same method. So directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. I'm tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. And repeat this table one more time to complete the verse. And after that, you will have the pre-chorus, and you're gonna have a different table for that section. So here's the corresponding table, and since we're keeping the same method, I will directly sing the lyrics. Of walking in your shoes, every step that I take is another mistake to you. That's so high. But yeah, after that, you will have the chorus, which is even higher. But the cool part is that you're going to be able to reuse the verse table. So let me display it to you again, and directly with the lyrics, it'll sound like this. I've become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. And you repeat this table one last time to complete the chorus. By the way, here I'm only singing excerpts since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Next, play the second verse reusing the verse table, and then you will reach the second pre-chorus, which is slightly longer, so here's the corresponding table, and you're gonna have to play this table once to complete the second pre-chorus. Right after that, you will have the second chorus, so just replay the chorus table again, and once you have played that, you will reach the bridge, and you'll have a brand new table for that section. So here it is, and notice that the C sharp major finally showed up. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just just like me, with someone disappointed in you. And you'll be able to finish the song with the chorus table again. I wish you good luck for that one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.